to unfollow everybody on Instagram at the same time. This is super easily. So every second, every 10 seconds, it's gonna automatically unfollow somebody that don't follow you back or just everybody instantly. As you guys can see, for me, every second is gonna go down, and it's not even me doing anything. If you guys don't believe me, I'm just gonna put another screen on right here. It's gonna show on my PC just unfollowing it by itself. So, firstly, what you need to do this is a PC, and if you don't have a PC, later on in the video, I'm gonna show you how to do it on your phone. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it on your PC. All right, so as you guys can see right here, it's slowly unfollowing people that doesn't follow me back, whatever. You could do this as your own risk. There is a chance you get banned, which is highly not gonna happen because I've been doing this for a while, but there is a chance. So as you guys can see, I could refresh, do anything I want. All I gotta do is just keep this tab open and then just unfollow somebody. So for this to work, what you need this Chrome extension right here. It's called Unfollower for Instagram, right? To get that extension, what you have to search up unfollowers for Instagram. You see that? Instagram detective. Just search that up. Once you search it up, it should take you to this option right here. Now from here, you're just gonna look for this one right here, and you're just gonna add it to your extension, right? So right here, boom, just add to your extension. Now you just go back on Instagram, just open it. Then once you're back on Instagram, you should just click on this over here, boom, on follower, refresh. It's gonna boom, just cross it out. If this happened, just cross it out. Then just redo it. It's gonna open instantly. Once they open, just click on the people that don't follow you back. Boom. Now you just click on unfollow profile, and every 10 seconds it's gonna unfollow. There's most of the time, if you're on your PC, nothing's gonna happen. But if you're on your phone, there's a chance you get banned. Boom, and that's how you do it. This is video help. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any help. Now to do this on your phone, what you have to do, you have to go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you have to scroll all the way down. To click on help. So click on report a problem, report without shaking, include and continue. Out now, right here, you're just gonna explain to them. Just be like, remove all the people following for safety reasons. Send that, and in 24 hours, they're just gonna unfollow everybody for safety reasons. So if this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.